Good morning, students. Let us start exercise 3.2. In the previous class, we studied about exercise 3.1. Now we are going to see exercise 3.2. Here also we are going to follow the angle sum property. Okay. Now see the first question. Question 1. Find x in the following figures. So here we are also following the linear pair. Okay, linear pair method also we are going to follow, and angle sum property also we are going to follow. Okay, now see, question A is given and question B is given. I will explain A, B you can do it. Okay, now see a question. Triangle is given. We know the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. I explained you. Okay, now how many sides are there? Just see, three sides, 125 degree, this is 125 degree, and this one is x degree. So what you have to do, you have to add all these three angles. Okay, that is 125 degree plus 125 degree plus 8x degree is equals to 360 degree. Now what will be there? 125 is how much? That is 250 degree. So 250 degree plus x equals to 360 degree. Therefore x equals to 360 degree minus this 250 degree. So what will be the answer? That is 110 degree. So got the value of x. So x is equals to 110 degree. So here 110 degree will come. Okay students, question number B, do it yourself. Okay, now go to question number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angles of a regular polygon of 9 sides and 15 sides. 9 sides and 15 sides we have to find out. As you know, angle sum property method, that is equals to all the type in the exterior angles of the sum of all exterior angles is always 360 degree. So we have to find first sides are there, na? So each exterior angle of a regular polygon has the same measure. Yes, so here the example sides is given, that is 9 sides. So that 9 side will be divided by total degree which is given, that is 360. So 360 degree divided by 9. 9 4s are 36. Yes or no? What will remain? 0. So what will be the answer? That is 40 degree for first one. In the same way, question for 2 also you can do. For 2 also, what you have to do, you have to just divide these sides by total angles, that is 360 degree divided by this total size, that is 15. So what will be the answer? That is 24 degree. Understood students? Now go to question number 3. What is question number 3? How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of a exterior angle is 24 degree? साइड्स आपको ये कैसे पता चलेगा? सी, ऑलरेडी ये यहाँ पे हम लोग ने कर लिया है, 24 डिग्री है तो कितने साइड्स होंगे? टोटल 15 ही है, इनको इस क्वेश्चन में एक्सप्लेन किया. बट हाउ टू फाइंड आउट 24 डिग्री? हमारे टोटल डिग्री कितना होता है? 360 डिग्री होता है. येस और नो? और हमको पूछा है 24 डिग्री पूछा है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस 24 डिग्री वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द साइड्स. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, टोटल डिग्री जो है, थ्रो टोटल डिग्री दैट इज 360 डिग्री सम ऑफ ऑल द साइड्स plus divided by this given angle, that is 24 degree. We have to just divide this. So what will get the answer? We'll get the answer 15 degrees. 15. So we can say that number of sides is 15. Yes or no? Understood? Now go to question number 4. Question number 4 is as usual same. We have to find out 360 degree divided by this 165. As we had done in question number 3, question number 4 is also done. Okay, do it by your own, it's similar. Now see question number 5. Is it possible to have now see question number 5. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon or why? See, You know the sum of the exterior angles is always 360 degree, yes or no? But in regular polygon, exterior angles is also the same, giving the same measurement, that is 360 degree. Yes, so if 360 degree is a perfect multiple of the given exterior angles, then the given polygon will be possible. Okay, so here it is, question is asked, can it be possible? So it can be possible. So what is the question? It is given in exterior angle. In the question, just the exterior angle is given, that is 22 degree. Yes, for the A question. Now see, exterior angle 22 degree is given. So 360 degree is not a perfect multiple. So how we are going to do perfect multiple of 322 degree का perfect multiple नहीं है. Multiple आपको पता है ना, नहीं तो वो भी explain करना पड़ेगा. Multiple you know ना. So this polygon is not possible for the angle 22 degree. Yes or no? Now see question number. Exterior angle 180 degree. How it is solved? Just see. ये सॉल्व किया गया. एक्सटीरियर एंगल इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री माइनस 22 डिग्री, दैट इज़ 150. सच पॉलीगन इज़ नॉट अ पॉसिबल एज 360 डिग्री इज़ नॉट अ मल्टीपल ऑफ दिस 158 डिग्री. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, नाउ गो टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. रीड आउट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. What is the minimum interior angles possible for a regular polygon? B. What is the maximum exterior angles possible for regular polygon? See, regular polygon have the possible numbers of sides. Okay, lowest होता है, कम ही होता है, ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. But the exterior angles of this exterior angles जो होते हैं, the exterior angles have the maximum number of the sides or exterior angles. Okay, for the regular polygon. So exterior angle, well, equilateral triangle, all there are 3 sides, yes or no? So 360 degree will be divided by all the 3 sides, means equilateral triangle. So 3 divided by 360 degree is equals to 120 degree. Okay, now next is, hence maximum possible measure of exterior angles for any polygon is 180 degree. We had find it. So we know that exterior angle and interior angle are always in a linear pair. याद रखना ये बात को. एक्सटीरियर एंगल एंड इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर ऑलवेज इन अ pair, linear pair. Understood? So minimum interior angle is what we have got, 180 degree, 120 degree we had got. So 120 degree will be subtracted by 180 degree, that will give 60 degree. Understood, students? So here I have completed exercise 3.2. Go through this exercise, write down all this exercise in your notebook and practice all these sums also in your notebook. Okay students, thank you. And those who have seen the videos, please let me know by sending me the message on WhatsApp personally. Okay, thank you students.